How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I am good.
My name is Becky.
Okay, and you are from
I am from South Africa.
South Africa. Okay, my
What
name is Machinder.
Makinder?
Machinder.
Machinder.
Yeah,
O-
right.
Okay,
And,
and where
and
are you from?
and I am from India.
Oh, lovely. My last student was also from India.
Okay, from which part of India?
Oh, he did not tell me.
Okay, okay.
I'm
I am
not
from New
sure.
Delhi. I am
You're
from New
from
Delhi.
Amazing. Very nice. Well, it's lovely to meet you.
Same here.
And what can I help you with today?
So we'll do journal discussion. Okay,
Okay,
and
perfect.
I will ask few questions from you. Uh,
Oh, good, good.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so your background in your video is very awesome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, what is it?
It is just a piece of artwork. I saw it
Okay,
at the shop. It was very cheap on sale. So I
okay,
thought it will be, more beautiful than just a white wall. So it is
right.
just, I think it's supposed to be like a picnic blanket that you sit on.
Uh,
I don't know.
but
I
it's
just thought it
but
can look
it's
nice.
it's lovely, it's awesome.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I wanted
Okay,
something to look happy.
oh, that's great. And that is appearing from your face.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Same for you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so before we start the further conversation, can
Hmm.
I take your permission, to upload this video on YouTube because I am also a YouTuber,
Oh,
and
really?
yeah.
Wow.
So
Yes, you are more than
yeah,
welcome.
thank you. So if anyone who want to learn from this video, he or she can learn.
Yes, that's wonderful. That's really great. As long
Okay,
as you tell me where the channel is so I can also see.
okay, sure. So I have not yet started. I'm just, editing the video right now. So
Mm.
I will first make a 5 to 10 video and then start uploading. But soon I will, in next time when we'll meet, I will,
Hmm.
I will share with you the link.
Okay,
Okay.
wonderful. That would be great. Thank you so much. Okay,
Okay.
cool.
And what do you do?
Okay, so I am actually a teacher. That is my real job. I am
Okay.
a high school science teacher.
Okay. That's great.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I teach health, I teach biology and
Okay.
chemistry and just general sciences for the high school students at an international school here in Cambodia.
Okay, that's great. And one more thing which I want to say you that your voice is very clear and it's awesome. Your voice is yes, it's very clear. I
Thank you.
I didn't find it difficult, to understand your words, whatever you are saying. I'm getting it.
Thank you very much. Actually, I have had many students tell me this before. I think maybe
Okay,
because I do not have a strong American or British accent, because I am from South Africa, my accent is very neutral or plain or boring. I don't know, but
no, no, no,
but
it's very
sometimes it's
fluent.
easier for
Yes,
people to
it's
understand.
it's easier and it's very fluent
Oh, thank you, thank you. That's
at
very
the
nice of
same
you to
time.
say. But your
Okay.
English is very good as well.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah, right. Because I want that my English should be like you. It must be like you.
But you are doing really well because you are also speaking really fast. You are speaking very quickly. So it means that you
Okay.
do not need to
So
take time to think about your words. It comes out very easily. So yeah, it sounds great to listen to you. It's also easy to understand you.
okay. Thank you. So I am working hard on it, and
Mm.
I have one question from you.
Yes.
Sometime when it comes to vocabulary, we learn vocabulary.
Yes.
So it's not a tough job. It's not a difficult job to learn the vocabulary.
Mm.
When it comes to make a sentence or to use that vocabulary,
Yes.
we find it difficult. We even didn't know where to use it. We do not know where to use it, how to use it. Not I'm talking about myself, but
Yes.
the
Yes.
people who are learning it, so they find it difficult to use these words. So what you suggest means how can we use the words, the vocabulary which we learn, how can we use
Yes.
that?
Okay. So I agree with you. I think this is a very intimidating problem, right? Because you learn all the words, but then you don't feel comfortable or confident to actually use it in your normal everyday language. So my number
Right,
one tip,
right.
my number one piece of advice for this is just to have confidence. And when you think maybe this word can work, try it. And then you can say to somebody, does that
Okay,
make sense? And they will say yes, or they will say, what do you mean? So I think the best advice is to not be scared, to just try. I think we think too much when we are learning
right,
another language. We overthink what we must say, right? And so I think the best
right,
thing to do is when you have a feeling or this word pops up in your mind, go with it. Just try it,
right.
use it, be confident, and see, maybe you are right. I think most of the time you will be surprised and actually you will be
Mhm.
using the word correctly. So the best thing you can do is use these words as much as possible, and that way
Right.
people can help you. Because if
Okay,
it's a little bit incorrect, maybe there is a better word to use. The other person can help you with that, but you will not know if you don't
right.
try. So I
Okay,
think most
right.
of the time you will know the correct word, and if you have a feeling, just try it. I
Okay.
hope that is helpful.
So yeah, right. That is quite helpful.
Okay.
And the second problem, which with we people is that we do not have people in our surrounding who speak in
Hmm.
English, because like for me, Hindi is our native language.
Yes.
So many people, most of the people, they speak in Hindi.
Yes.
So sometimes it is very difficult to find the people in your surrounding. Still, I am working in a corporate sector, so and in MNC company, so we find it very easily.
Mm.
So we have a day-to-day interaction with the people, and many times,
Yes.
in most of the time, we talk in English.
Yes.
When we are at home, then we do not find the people in our surrounding with whom we can talk in English.
Yes.
So most of the people have this problem.
Hmm. Yes, I agree with you.
Okay. Yes, yes,
What
please.
advice do I have about this?
Right, right,
Okay, so I agree with you. I think this is the biggest problem, because the easiest way to learn a language is to be surrounded by it all the time. So you have no choice but to hear this language and pick up on different vocabulary that you did not know before. So my advice for this problem would be um, movies, TV series,
right.
and reading. I think this is the
Oh,
best
great.
way to allow your mind to constantly take in English. So find something funny that you love to watch, that is entertaining for you, that you are interested in. So it cannot be boring. Do not listen to something that
Okay.
is boring for you. Find a funny TV show,
Right.
funny movie, and
Okay.
then you can try to first watch the TV show with the subtitles. You can even slow it down, or you can put subtitles in your own language. And then, if you have watched the episode and you understand what happened, you can rewatch it again without the subtitles and see if the words, if
Okay.
you understand what those words mean. So make it part of your daily routine to maybe watch a few YouTube channels that are in English, or find a funny TV series that you like and watch it, just 20 minutes or 30 minutes whenever you have some free time. Um, I think this helps many people actually, because you want to know what they are saying, so you actually
Right.
care about learning the words.
Okay. You are absolutely right. Whatever you told me is really that will really help to me and lot of our viewer who will watch this
Yes, thank
video.
you so much.
Okay.
And of course,
So my
Cambly. This is the best way. Yes,
yeah,
this is
right.
the
Of
best way. Yeah.
course.
Mm.
Right, right, right. So, I would like to talk with you more in future.
I would love
Way
that.
you,
Yes.
explain everything. Okay. So it's really a fantastic. Okay.
Thank you
So,
so much. This has been a wonderful conversation. It was so nice to have somebody who is interested in asking me questions.
okay. So my next question is, so is grammar, compulsory to learn English, means to be a very good communicator in English?
Yes and no.
Okay. So
Maybe some
why
people
you
will
are saying
disagree.
yes?
So, yes,
Okay.
because of course, you need good grammar to be able to put sentences together correctly so that other people can understand you, for sure. So, I think the most important
Okay.
part of
You
grammar
know,
is the sentence structure, just forming the sentence correctly. But I think too many people worry about making their grammar so perfect that learning English is not fun anymore because you are overthinking and you are stressed and
okay.
worried. So I think for speaking, do not think about the grammar. Just see what feels natural for you.
Okay, right.
And again, people will help you. And you can practice with your writing and practice grammar, but do not focus too
Okay.
much on writing correct grammar because the most important thing is, can other people understand you? And sometimes, if you have a
Okay.
few grammar mistakes, it's not a problem. People can still understand you perfectly. And actually, you will learn more by not stopping every time to fix every small mistake, but just practicing and having more confidence to continue speaking. Yeah. So, yes, your grammar will improve when you are not focusing on it. Your grammar will
Okay.
improve naturally just through speaking. Do not worry too much.
Okay. So basically, you are saying that at your initial stage, then start speaking in English. Try to communicate more and more English,
Yes.
and ignore grammar for some
Yes.
time. And once you are very you start speaking
Yes.
fluently, then gradually improve your grammar.
Exactly.
Right.
Because the most important thing is to feel encouraged and to feel like you can do this. And so
Okay.
if somebody tells you all your mistakes right at the beginning, it is very
Right. Right.
discouraging and it will no longer be fun for you to study English. So
Right.
don't
And
focus on that in the beginning. Yeah.
okay. Okay. So basically, it becomes embarrassing to the person who is learning the English.
Yes.
So you should try to ignore your grammar mistakes, and then start speaking fluently, and gradually focus on your grammar as well as your on your
Yes.
vocabulary. The
Because
right.
you will be surprised. You can use them in many different situations. So that can be
Right.
your challenge and it becomes fun. If you have a new word that you learned, look for a
Okay.
situation where you can use it and see, does it make
Okay.
sense? Yes.
Right. So basically, English is more about the situations.
Hmm.
You can use a one word. You cannot use the same word in every situations. Though
Yeah.
the meaning of that word will be the same, but if the situation is different,
Hmm.
that will sound differently.
Yes. So the context, yes, the context matters for when you are using different words. But you will learn this by practicing, trying it here, trying it there to see what makes more sense.
So I just want to thank you, and
Okay.
I really appreciate your effort, the way you teach. It's really awesome. And bye.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
you.
That is so kind.
Thank
Lovely to meet
you.
you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.